You can download files relating to individual assets, folders, or collections. Choose the desired asset, click on the menu button, and select Download. Based on the platform configurations and the rights of the group of users, you can download the original file, proxy file with watermark, metadata plain text format, or metadata JSON format. Select the options of interest, then click Download to start the process. A zip folder containing all the selected files will then be available from your browser. In case of image type assets like photos, pictures, graphics, and so on, you can download different versions of the same file with different extensions and reduce the resolution. Conversions are done automatically by the Arkki platform, and their settings are generally configured by the system administrators or media power engineers. Clicking on one of the available conversion types, the download will start automatically.